Having trouble finding a large capacity washing machine for a big family? Or do you prefer to wash your curtains at home than sending it to a laundromat? You can now do all this with the Bosch Series 8 front-load washing machine. It can wash up to 10 kg of laundry, and that's as good as washing 50 t-shirts. It also has a breakthrough with droplet design that provides a gentle yet thorough clean for your delicate fabrics. With the machine's large LED display screen with touch controls, everything you need to know is at a glance, and you can control the settings easily. If you are not sure which program to use for your washing, use the Easy Start Assistant to select the ideal wash program for your laundry based on color, fabric, or level of soiling, all from the comfort of your mobile device. The washing machine automatically sends you push notifications when it is time to collect your clothes. The Bosch anti-stain program that can be paired with most washing machine programs reliably removes up to 4 common stains easily. You can have greater peace of mind every time you are dining out wearing your favorite clothes. This washing machine promotes healthy living with its Allergy Plus washing program. It is a specially designed wash cycle with longer temperature stages and an additional rinse to reduce allergens. Get the same cleaning results with less time when you pair the Speed Perfect option with common washing programs. If you are in a hurry, choose between Express Clean 59, Super Quick 15 or Super Quick 30 washing programs to wash your laundry in under 1 hour. Whether you have a big family or embrace technology, this washing machine has got you covered. So start building your smart home today with the Bosch Series 8 front-load washing machine.